Good job.
Good job, but
Good job.
That's your little dick over there?
yeah. Go back over and do it again. I only got half of it.
Okay, ready?
Ready, now we're rolling now. Go! Action! Action! Where's Aunt Nikki?
Over here. Ready? Can you come and get it?
Yay!
Happy girl.
Good girl.
Yay!
Now roll over again. Yeah, roll yourself on your back.
Yay!
And back over again. We're going to be roly-poly.
Yay!
Good job. You did it. Now we can... Yeah. That's excellent.
Good going.
Excuse you. Excuse you. Are you gonna come over here?
Yeah.
We're gonna put some clothes on so you don't get rug burn.